Excavator. It's real doozy.
We have 100-milligram excavator.
My little one.
And it's stuck in the mud. How long has it been stuck there? About 3 months.
Let's move the bucket.
You want to move the bucket?
Like a banker. My
Hey, yeah, I'm Brian Frog, and I was just down here digging out olives, and I got off the road a little bit, and there she sits. Alright, so it's so muddy in here. Every time we do something, we can sink, so we don't want this machine to get stuck. So we need to get our swamp mats, big pieces of wood, and make a ramp so we can winch line this stuck excavator out. We'd also like to thank our sponsors. We couldn't do any of these big recoveries without our Craftsman trailer. Craftsman trailers. Now we need to dig the little one out. Free up the tracks because the tracks are stuck. So we've got one shot at getting this out. We've got our Jenkum rope hooked up, and we're hooked up to the 0.25 ton.
Yeah.
We're hooked up to the 0.25 ton as an anchor, and then the loader. And we've got a pulley on here because a pulley basically doubles your pulling strength on the ropes. Here, you want to go pull the 0.25 ton winch?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got it out faster than expected.
Wham bam. Down the road.
Wham bam.
What's up, Dave? What's up, Hans?
What's up, guys? Thank you so much for watching. Ollie and I are always looking for new, fun things to drive. His #1 request is to drive a 5-ton. As always, the best way you guys can help us keep making good videos is by clicking subscribe.
I love you for watching.
Thumbs up, subscribe,